Transform your ideas into a stunning online presence with Squarespace, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive into the fundamental pillars of building your site on Squarespace. Think of your website as a building. And the Pages section is where you'll lay the foundation and construct each room. Click on Pages in your left-hand navigation here. You can add new pages for your About, Contact, Services, or any other content you need. Simply click the plus icon and choose Blank Page or a predesigned layout to get started. Once a page is created, it's time to fill it with life using content blocks. Click into any page, and you'll see options to add text, images, galleries, videos, and so much more. Drag and drop these blocks onto your page to arrange your content exactly how you envision it. Experiment with different blocks to create engaging layouts for your visitors. Now, let's talk about making your site uniquely yours. Navigate to the Design panel, and within that, you'll find Site Styles. This is your central hub for branding here. You can easily adjust your site's fonts to match your personality, select a color palette that pops, and even customize the spacing and appearance of elements across your entire website. Consistency is key to a professional look. Finally, let's ensure your website is discoverable and accessible. In the Settings panel, you can connect your custom domain name. This is your website's unique address on the internet. Like yourbrand.com, you'll also find the SEO section, which is crucial for helping search engines like Google find your site. Take a moment to fill out your site title and description here. By mastering these fundamental features, a circumflex euros, pages, content blocks, site styles, and settings, a circumflex euros, you're well on your way to creating powerful and beautiful websites with Squarespace. This is just the beginning of your online journey.